Well, one of the other brands that we represent is a German brand called Riedel Communications, so I thought I'd find myself a German. This is Bolero. It's a wireless belt pack that connects through this standalone antenna behind us here on the DEX frequency, 1.9 meg, way out of the way of your annoying Wi-Fi. The smallest system is the antenna and 2 belt packs, and one of the best things is for fast setup, you can power the antenna with a V-Lock battery as well. We've been using this system for some of the creative and crafty shots you've seen throughout our road to the CBAA between the driver and also the drone pilot as well. It's come in very handy. But one of the other use cases, if you go over there, is between this station that we've got set up here inside the CBAA hall and our van setup as well over there. A little bit overkill, but we've been having a lot of fun with the technology and representing it well, I think. Now, if wireless comms isn't for you, Riedel also have this nifty little setup called Punktum, and yes, it's as hard to spell as it is to say, but this is Punktum. It's a wired belt pack setup for those people in places that don't mind being tethered to something. One of the best things as well though is the wireless Bolero and the wired Punktum can communicate and connect together. So thanks, Riedel.
Riedel.
Well, the PAT stand inside the CBAA Conference has a range of goodies and treats on show, and this time we're showing the Angry Audio Rave console. It's a brand new console that could replace the likes of some of the older ELAN audio stuff that's in service in the community sector today. This is an 8-fader console, 4 mic line inputs, another additional 4 analog inputs, all of that presented on Studio Hub RJ45 connectors with the exception of the mics. They're on the traditional XLR. Now we do some great bundles on this, which includes the likes of our studio signal light, the console. If we have a look down here, we've got a USB sound card, cleaning up that nasty unbalanced audio from your laptop via USB into something professional, bi-directional as well, for a mix minus maybe, for a Skype interview. We've got headphone adapters for guest positions, including talkback from the rave to those positions as well, and then the Bluetooth audio gizmo. This is a next level game changer for a small studio like this. Connect your phone in via Bluetooth, again with the Mix Minus, so you can use it as a phone hybrid. All of this can be packaged up. It's the beautiful, beautiful technology from our friends at Angry Audio and Studio Hub. If you haven't seen it, reach out to our team and we'll show you around. One of the things that we do really well at PAT is create entire solutions. So we've talked about the Larval Crystal console, but I want to show you this. This is the brand new ProDeck by Densitron. Kind of like a Stream Deck, but in this form, it's a full touchscreen. We've integrated this via Ember Plus to our Crystal console, allowing me to turn the microphone on and off, headphone volume. I've got talkback to my Angry Audio Bluetooth gadget, and I can turn on some lights as well. The ProDeck comes in a Stream Deck style format with 24 buttons and a touchscreen at the top. It's also got a 40 button option. Linux and Windows integrate your software or connect it into the IDS control system. Well, there you have it. We're done and dusted from Sydney to inland New South Wales up to here in the Gold Coast for the CBAA. Thanks so much for all your support, your stories, post-production Pat, you've cracked it, producer Jay, and on behalf of all of us, our sponsors Larval, thanks for watching. We're out of here.